As senior management of Red Telecom Australia, you have already identified and experienced the detrimental effects of half-developed HR development strategy. You must be feeling defeated by now, but I'm here to tell you there is a hope. The variety of problems we have identified, the root causes of these problems are inappropriate training and support provided to the customer resolution department personnel, causing subgroup conflict and performance issues. The key objectives of my proposal that establishment of 1. A learning system that facilitates formal and informal learning. This will deliver 70% in challenging assignments, 20% in developmental relationships, and 10% in coursework and training. 2. An improvements on subgroup conflict to improve teamwork effectiveness. There are some workgroup profile considerations that both impact this proposal and are addressed by it. First is increasing diversity, both gender and nationality, that complicate communication and performance effectiveness. Second is the split of employees into the veteran employee subgroup and the new recruit subgroup with tense relationships between subgroups. The key competency gaps that were to be addressed include, firstly, the lack of knowledge of company products, processes, and policies amongst the workers and team leaders, leading to stress when performing their jobs, and secondly, teamwork skills. The competency that need to be developed therefore include both in-depth knowledge of company products, processes, politics, and customer complaint resolution techniques, as well as leadership techniques in the new teamwork structured environment. The strategy is to develop a new training system and a continuous department learning system that delivers on these competency gaps. In detail, this requires two interventions to achieve learning outcomes. The first, training and mentoring intervention, will infuse learning outcomes with real-world experience and create greater engagement from learners. It will first deliver formal training through online workshops to deliver informational content on REST products, processes, and policies. This content should only take a total of 20 hours. A flexible timeline to learning is attached to ensure works is not disrupted. Enable learning autonomy, which is needed for adult learners, and this also allows a material to be revisited when needed. The real effective aspect of this new training program, however, is in informal training, where 20% or 40 hours is dedicated towards social learning. Here we combine with learning through challenging assignments, which is estimated to take approximately 140 hours of teamwork assignments and on-the-job application of the learned material for learners to master. The second, interpersonal conflict intervention, will involve redesigning the communication and support system for teams to better interconnect and facilitate communication between all levels in the department. Team leaders will need to be coached and mentored to develop this skill through informal learning. The success of this plan will be measured using feedback from workers for the mentoring and interpersonal conflict intervention. To access results of learning on RED product, policy, and process, the outcomes measure of customer satisfaction will be used. Overall, this proposal will enrich employee knowledge needs to enhance job performance and recondition their role in the new team dynamic. Here is an overview of the initial action plan of the proposal.